Hello guys, how are you? Today we're going to talk about a very ordinary thing but also a very important thing. Dictionaries. Yeah, dictionaries. They have been around for a long time. Take a look at this page. This is from 1755. That's a long time ago. But my point is, do you know how to use a dictionary?
Let's think of the word bar. How many meanings does it have? Check it out. Bar is a noun. This little n here means noun. But what does noun mean? In Portuguese, it means substantivo. But related to its meaning, bar can be a lot of things. A chocolate bar, a wood bar, an iron bar. In this sport, this is a bar. In a music sheet, this is a bar. And of course, this is a bar. So a dictionary tells you the meaning of the word, right? And the dictionary can tell you what is the function of a word. For example, book can be a noun. And also, it can be a verb. Another thing, a dictionary can also teach you how to pronounce a word. The word dictionary, it is a noun, and you can read the definition. But these are phonetic symbols. They teach you how to pronounce a word. Dictionary, because this is not a letter. This is the symbol of the sound sh. So we say dictionary because this little guy, this apostrophe over here, tells you which is the stressed syllable. So we say dictionary, not dictionary. Come on, it's amazing.
Okay guys, so far we have learned that a dictionary can teach us the meaning of a word, its function and its pronunciation. Moreover, it can teach us more vocabulary and also cognates. Cognates? What are those? Let's take a look.
Cognates are words in English, usually from Latin, that have similar meaning and spelling in Portuguese. Take a look. Television, telephone, radio. However, we also have the false cognates. And false cognates are words in English that have similar spelling to Portuguese, but a total different meaning. Push, pull, empurre, push. You did it, right? I'm sure you did it.
Okay guys, let's practice. I don't have to tell you that for this class you need a dictionary, right? So grab yours and let's go.
Write 2 sentences with each word from the box, with a different meaning for each one. Follow the example given. Use a dictionary. I am reading the last book of Dan Brown. It's very interesting. It's a noun. Or, last year I tried to book the best hotel at Disney, but it was full. It's a verb. I can do that. Modal verb. I want a can of Coke, please. Noun. Let's train every day to play better. Verb. Let's go by train. It's faster. Noun. Hey, good job. Well done. Adverb. Have you ever drunk water from a well? Noun. I will call you. A promise. Modal verb. If you are going to do it in a good will. Noun. Walk down this avenue and you will get there. Noun is a street. China and the US are exploring avenues of a military cooperation. Noun as possibilities. Can I borrow your phone? My battery is dead. Noun. I will phone you tomorrow. Verb. Would you like a glass of water? You look thirsty. Noun as a cup. Glass is made of sand. Noun as a material. Now we are working with pronunciation. You have to find the stressed syllable in each word. Then try to count how many syllables each word has. Attention. To count syllables, you have to count the vowel sounds, okay? sounds. Look for the phonetic symbols in your dictionary. Chocolate, 2 syllables, the first is stress. Machine, 2 syllables. Dictionary, 4 syllables. Category, 3 syllables. Character, 3 syllables. Dance, 1 syllable. Inside, I can say in 2 ways, inside or inside. Breathe, 1 syllable. Breath, 1 syllable. Record as a noun. Record as a verb. Work. Now the false cognates. Translate the words below to Portuguese. Then write 1 sentence for each one in English. Okay? So costume means fantasia. Color, colarinho ou coleira. Cocoa, cacau. Camp, acampamento militar. Fee, taxa. Library, biblioteca. Actually, na verdade. Ultimately, no fim das contas. Push, empurrar. Compromise, ceder, chegar a um acordo. Pretend, fingir. Intend, pretender. Very nice. Okay guys, that's the end of today's lesson. Thank you very much for being here with me. I hope you enjoyed as much as I did. Remember, dictionaries are dictionaries. Okay, dictionaries are very important tools. Okay. Vai lá, Ivan. Okay guys, that's the end of the lesson today. Thank you very much for being here with me. And remember, dictionaries are very important tools for you, okay? Bye bye people. Thank you very much. Woo!